Did it work, son?
Who did that?
I did.
Oh my god.
Kayla, painting my room.
I love it.
Love painting.
The sons of a bitches. Oh my gosh, how's it look, ladies and gents? You guys don't know who that is.
Dude,
Stupid.
Chris Crocker. He's great.
Knitter what? Oh. I swear it came out wrong. I swear it came out wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, you do not talk like that. If you're black, white, Asian, American, I don't give a racism. Not cool.
Look, he's the
I'm black. I could be as black as this, and I'd still be a beautiful, strong female. Beautiful. Nigga what? My boobs drop so bad when I do this.
Let's focus off the lower half.
Who's that? Who's that?
Do the work, son. Do the work. Hi, Jessica. Hey.
Are we gonna YouTube this? Or are we just gonna like?
Dude, I want to make a YouTube profile.
I have one. I have like 3 of them.
YouTube?
Yeah, I have like 3 YouTube profiles because I wanted to watch that Chris Crocker video so bad that I made one. And my first time, you know how we thought they were doing it? He's shaving his legs.
Oh.
It's like, why is somebody flagged it for no reason?
Look, I'm representing Foothill up there. How do?
I'm representing this pole. Dude, my arms are tired. You know, we did this this is pure woman work right here. You don't
woman work.
Understand. It may look black, but it's paint.
It's paint, son. And then pretty soon, like a week or something, we get to draw. We get to draw on that.
We had Starbucks today, so we're feeling really good.
Starbucks, we did the work.
We had a good night last night. You know, we hung out with Emmanuel. You know, enough said. Hang out with Emmanuel was cool. You know?
Enough said.
Enough said.
Enough.
Naga.
Naga.
Oh, see, you just spit on me again. Paint. Did you guys know that paint spits? It does.
Sound enough.
Shouty, get it, shouty. Play some music, Jessica.
Okay. Walking over to the music. Focus on Kayla. Don't know what I'm focused on. Should wear my daddy's shirt and some spandex. That booty. Okay, well, we're gonna go so we can play some music. Bye.
We'll be back later.
You totally just didn't miss